Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. We have, what year is this car is? 2015 Gl250 Mercedes-Benz. And if you notice here, our advice is to drive moderately. Why? Look, the axle is snap out. That's the axle. And the reason why is the lower control arm is broken. You see here, and also this thing bent, right? This one also snap. Oh, because and the stabilizer link on the top also broke. The whole problems is here, and you see here this is snap out. The reason why, and the old one. Let me show you where is the old one here. This is a new one. Can you take it out? And the way they manufacture this one, they manufacture it so good, so strong that it is from aluminum. And it's not easy to bend or to have, but it looked like he was driving and he hit a pothole or he hit something that create this thing to break from here. Mercedes-Benz does this one in so good shape. So don't think that it is something that is break just by mistake. No, the way they did it there is so good. And while you're driving, I know you drive a Mercedes-Benz, just try, please, to drive moderately while you're driving on the road and be safe. Not that mean you're driving Mercedes-Benz, everything will be okay. Safety and be careful while you're driving is very, very important. Okay, that's my little advice. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. Thanks. We're going to take it out, replace it, and we put everything back. It will work. Thanks.